Yes, good morning everyone. As I have told you about the perimeter in my first video regards with the maths, the topic that is mensuration in class 6th. That was my first video. In that I have told you what is the perimeter, how the perimeter we are going to found. Suppose we have a field and that field has the four corners, and that four corners when we are going to adjoin with one another, so it means we have just completed one complete round, and so means all the sides, sum of all the sides, that is only called the perimeter. That already I have explained you in my first video, but I want to just prove you means how this formula is actually very much correct. So for this we have just taken an example, and with the help of the example that we are going to understand what is actually the perimeter. See here, the perimeter of a rectangle, okay, a rectangle ABCD. This is a rectangle ABCD, okay, whose length and breadth, whose length 15 centimeter, and breadth, that is the 9 centimeter respectively. What will be its perimeter? So now we need to find out what would be the, yes. So now they are now in this question they are asking what will be its the perimeter. So for the finding of the perimeter, we should have the formula, and the formula is I have written here, the perimeter sum of all sides. So here just look into this figure. This is actually a rectangle. In rectangle we have the four sides, and that all the four sides we are just interconnected with another, and so it has made a closed figure. Okay, so the sum of all the sides of a closed figure is only called the perimeter. So, and if we are going to look towards this rectangle, so in this rectangle we are just going to have two sides or the opposite sides which are actually equal to one another, like AB is equals to DC. This is actually given the 15 centimeter, and this is also the 15 centimeter, and another side which is actually yeah, which are actually very much equal to one another, that is AD equals to BC, that is given the 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Got it? So now we wanted to put these values in the formula, and so we could get means this formula. Now we wanted to have this formula, so we need to put its value, all these values here. So AB plus, now at the very first we are just going to add all the sides. So first side is given AB, second is given BC, and third one is CD, and after that we are just going to the last one, that is the DA. Okay, see here, AB, this one, and BC, this is, and CD, this one, and DA. So now we have just added here the all the four sides, and after that see, AB equals to DC. AB equals to DC, it means that AB and CD, they are actually they are exactly equal to one another. That's why we have just written here 2 and multiplied with the AB, because AB and CD, they are the two sides, and that's why we have just multiplied 2 into AB. Okay, and after that another side that is equal to one another, that is BC equals to DA. BC equals to DA, it means we need to write down the two times. We need to write down here the two times. That's why we have just written here the 2 into BC. Okay, and after that we have got, see here, after that we have got here 2 and 2 in both the in both the terms. We have got the common, that is a 2. So out of the bracket we have taken 2 into, and in bracket we have just closed AB plus BC. Okay, so now we have got the perimeter, sum of the perimeter. Now we have got this formula. Okay, now see here, now we need to only put the values. Now put the values in the formula. Okay, if we are going to put the values of this rectangle in the given formula, then definitely we get the answer of it. So already we have written, suppose actually I wanted to make you understand why we have written here the 2, but in question you have written the sum of all the sides. There is not, you have written the 2 also. 2 is also going to be write down here, because we are just talking about the two equal sides, and as in common that we have taken out of the bracket, and AB and BC that we have just closed inside and bracket. Okay, so after just going to be and okay, now AB side is given there 15 centimeter and 9 centimeter, that is the BC. Okay, so now 15 plus 9, we have got the 20, we have got a 24. Okay, 24 centimeter. We have got here 24 centimeter. We have got here 24 centimeter. Okay, and this 24, when we are just going to multiply with the 2, then we would get 48 centimeters. So this is actually the answer of the perimeter that we have got with the help of example. Thank you so much for watching video.